The best text-on-video applications for Android allow users to easily add and customize text overlays on their video content. These apps typically offer a user-friendly interface, enabling both beginners and experienced creators to enhance their videos with captions, quotes, or titles. Features often include a variety of fonts, colors, and styles, allowing for creative expression. Users can also adjust the timing and placement of the text, ensuring it syncs well with the video's audio and visuals. Many of these applications also provide additional editing tools, such as filters, effects, and transitions, making it easier to produce polished and engaging videos. Moreover, some apps may offer templates, making it simple to create professional-looking content quickly. They often support exporting videos in various resolutions and formats, enabling users to share their creations on social media platforms seamlessly. Overall, these applications are essential for anyone looking to enhance their video storytelling through text.